In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation with broken octaves in both hands on the white keys. So here is an octave of C's in the right hand, octave of C's in the left hand. You might think we can't come up with much with this, right? Both are going to be broken octaves. So what can we do with this, right? We could do E's, F's, but do they have to be doing exactly the same thing? They do not. So maybe this is alternating but quick. Maybe it's the left hand that is regular and it's a little faster. Let's go to G, A, right? There's also tremolos. Right? That's a cool sound. There's getting faster and slower. Space, silence, slowing down, speeding up. Something that's regular, something that is pulsing. But something maybe that is more syncopated and irregular or angular. Right? Or somebody, just a tremolo. So see what you can make out of that sort of thing. You could also create a melody I was trying to do the top note and the bottom note together, but it'd actually be easier if I did contrary motion. Let's bring it all in here so you can see it. Etc. So actually there's quite a bit that you can get out of a simple idea. Broken octaves in tandem, both hands just on the white keys. It's a dramatic sound much of the time. See what you can make of it.